Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find the Lana elf doll on day 5. So I'm going to show you the exact locations of Lana elf for day 5. So after your run or after the runway, you can just head in outside the lobby in here and you'll find these little houses, and at the top right here you found the doll for day 5. So just claim it. So after that you'll get these cute high heels that you can use for your next round. So guys, that's all for me. I hope you found this helpful. So don't waste your precious time running around the map. Just follow the path that I show you and claim your reward. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one.